This won't take long!
If I leave, Catwoman will die.
The only way to get by in this place is to get ourselves some respect. Fear. That's how we get respect. Show them all how we do things. We should be fair, though. This is a place of justice, after all. Screw justice. Kill her, and they'll all fear us. Bring out the defendant!
You certainly know how to keep a girl hanging, Harv. Hey, have you had some work done?
That's for stealing from us. No one steals from us.
I'm sorry I've been a bad kitty. Untie me, and I'll make it up to you.
Let's see if the coin thinks you're telling the truth. This court is now in session.
Order in the court! Order! Order!
Taking out the thug with the gun is the key. Without him, the rest of the room won't be a problem.
Welcome, people of Arkham City. It's good to see so many new faces in the crowd. Fresh faces for the gang. Today we present...
Batman! Get out of here! Screw you, Two-Face!
Our friend Batman has arrived. Grab him and cut him in two.
We're gonna hurt you!
You're not welcome in my court, Batman. Damn it! Your sentence is death, Batman. Stay still, Batman.
Objection. Overruled. Heads or tails, kitty cat?
Which one lets me out of here alive?
Not this one. Time to die.
I vote for a stay of execution. No gun, Harv? Shame. This is gonna hurt.
2 guns, bitch!
I need to locate where the bullet entered the court and where it impacted. The bullet hit the floor here. Now, where did it enter the room? The trajectory the bullet traveled will lead me to the shooter.
Protocol 10 will commence in 10 hours.
Trying to get out! Don't let him. Hold that door shut.
not an idiot. That's what I'm doing.
Is he still in there?
I think so. I can hear someone in there.
Keep that door shut, man! I don't want to go head-to-head with Batman!
You didn't say it was Batman.
Why the hell are we still here? We should run or something! You think? Don't be stupid. If you keep that door closed, he can't get out, and we're safe.
Really? What's stopping him going out the back?
I have been watching you, Batman, to see if you are ready.
Doing here? He's not one of us, is he?
I saw him. He appeared out of nowhere. Took out everyone in the court.
At least the kitty getting cut off.
He saved her too, and took out the boss.
So what now? Batman and Catwoman are free, Two-Face is strung up, and we're stuck out here in the cold. You cold?
Of course I'm cold. It's like 10 below out here. And Harley left us outside to freeze to death. Crazy bitch. And she's nice and warm in there.
Take it easy, man. I'm just asking. Who was that lady? The one who got dragged...
Hello, Dark Knight. Did you find that easy? You were supposed to. That was merely a taste of what is to come. You will regret trying to outsmart me. You will solve my riddles, and you will collect my trophies. You may not want to, but you must. It's a matter of life and death.
Positive ID on Batman. He is kicking all kinds of ass down there.
He just broke free and...